Dokasi boat with LED light. 30 plus minutes. Self-righting. Remote control boat. For pools and lakes. 20 plus. NPH. 2.4 GHz racing. Boats, to battery, pool. Tows for kids, radio. Controlled watercraft. Capsize recovery. Self-righting design keep your boat place well when it capsize. Latest remote control boat. With 30 minutes running time. Autopilot mode. Automatic flip recovery. Low battery reminder. More powerful performance. Better water-cooled engine. Speed boats are a built-in water-cooled motor that efficiently cools the engine during operation, which extends the service life of the motor. Package included: 1 remote control, 1 USB charging cable, 1 display stand, 1 screwdriver, 2 lithium battery, 1 propeller, 1 front bumper.